Sis, want to learn how to generate passive income? If you're looking for passive income ideas 2023, grab your pen and paper. I'm about to walk you through how to generate passive income step by step. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of Godlywood Girl University TV. And my purpose in life is to connect you with the resources you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based entrepreneur. So in line with that mission, make sure you subscribe to the Godlywood Girl TV channel and make sure you grab a free copy of my ebook, The Purpose Profit Formula. This teaches you my strategy for how I actually built Godlywood Girl into a multiple six-figure business online. You can get it for free by going to christianbusinesstoolkit.com. And if you're ready to learn how to generate passive income, grab your pen and paper. Let's dive into the steps. So step number one for how to generate passive income is to identify the problem you're going to solve with your passive income business. Identify the problem that you're going to solve with your passive income business. One of the biggest mistakes we can make as online entrepreneurs is creating a business that solves all these different problems. If you do that, it's going to confuse your audience and they're not going to see you as the expert at helping them achieve a specific thing. That's why in the beginning, before you start a passive income business, you need to really focus on, okay, what problem do I want to focus on solving here? Do I want to help people learn how to do filmmaking? Do I want to help people learn how to be a speed reader? Do I want to help people learn how to do grammar well? Do I want to help people learn how to do YouTube or how to do TikTok or whatever it is, how to find their purpose, personal development, spiritual growth, life coaching? Like, just figure out the problem that you solve first. The second step for how to generate passive income is to build an audience of people who have that problem. Build an audience of people who have that problem. So the only way we make sales online is if people purchase our products. I know it's funny to say, but honestly, I've just seen a lot of people start businesses without focusing on sales. If you don't have sales in your business, like my friend Fabiola Giordani always says, you just have a really expensive hobby, right? You need to make sure you're incorporating how you're going to sell into your business. That's what a business does. It sells products. So you need people who are actually going to purchase. That's why you want to focus on building your audience first. A lot of people, they focus on creating the products or finding the affiliate links, but if you have nobody to sell it to, what's the point of spending all that time developing that product? Go ahead and focus on building your audience first. And the way you can do this is by creating something called a lead magnet, a free digital gift that you give to somebody in exchange for their email address. And then you set up a squeeze page where they can put in that email address to get the gift. This is called a sales funnel. And then you're going to use marketing and traffic resources to go ahead and bring people into that sales funnel so you can build your audience online. If you need help doing this, get into Godlywood Girl University TV. I have a training that shows you how to do this step by step. The third step for how to generate passive income is to test out products that solve that problem. Test out products that solve that problem. So in this video, I'm really focusing on real passive income, meaning you don't even create the product. So go ahead and find products that solve the problem for your audience. You can go on clickbank.com. Clickbank is an amazing resource that has a lot of different people's products and a lot of different people's well-converting sales funnels. So you can go ahead and test out the product. Now, there are people who promote products that they haven't tried. I wouldn't recommend that, only because as faith-based entrepreneurs, we want to operate in integrity and we want to make sure that something we're promoting actually does deliver a solution. So if you haven't tried it, then you don't really know if it delivers a solution, right? So I would recommend only promoting stuff that you've actually tried, but go ahead and test out those products. You can also find potential products on Amazon. You can find them basically any website that offers affiliate commissions. The fourth step for how to generate passive income is to get an affiliate link for the products that you love. Get an affiliate link for the products that you love. So what you can do is on ClickBank, you sign up for the platform, and then when you find a product that you actually like that solves the problem, you don't even have to sign up for anything. You just go ahead and grab the link, and then you can promote it to your email list. For Amazon, you can start your own Amazon platform, become an Amazon, I think it's the Amazon Influencers Program, and then you get literally associates links. So you get the link and then you can promote that and get commissions from that. If it's a private product, so let's say, for example, you wanted to promote my Blogging for Business Accelerator and you're like, oh my gosh, this helped me so much with my blog. Stephanie, can I become an affiliate? Then I can actually give you an affiliate link for you to promote it to your audience. So you can just really reach out to the creators of the product and ask for the affiliate link if you can't find one. The fifth step for how to generate passive income is to create an email marketing campaign to promote your affiliate link to your audience. Create an email marketing campaign campaign to promote your affiliate link to your audience. Now, I recommend doing an email marketing campaign because social media has an algorithm, and the algorithm chooses who gets to see your content. Email marketing, on the other hand, 100% of the people on your database will receive that email. Now, some of them, it'll go in their spam folder. That, it is what it is, but they will have received the email. If they look in their spam folder, they'll find it. So that's why I prefer email marketing over any other type of marketing. And you're going to want to create an email campaign because sometimes people need to see the same message 9 to 12 times before they really understand it. So you don't want to just send one email blast. If you can hear my baby, that's my baby downstairs. So you don't want to just send one email blast promoting your affiliate link. You want to send multiple email blasts. So design a campaign to help you do this. If you need help creating campaigns in Godlywood TV, check out my marketing masterclass. And the sixth and final step for how to generate passive income is to go ahead and execute your marketing plan. Execute your marketing plan. Don't just design the marketing campaign and just think about it. Actually do it. I've done this before where I've spent all this time creating a strategy, but I didn't actually do any of it. Don't do that. Execute your campaign, track the progress, and then make shifts if you need to make it more effective the next time. So bonus tip, continue finding new affiliate products to promote to your email list and continue growing your email list. This is how you can have a 100% passive income business. You're not creating products. You don't have to deliver the products. You don't even have to support the products when people sign up because you are doing this 100% with affiliate products. Now, if you're on my email list, make sure you keep an eye on your inbox because I'm going to be teaching a live pop-up class, how to create an affiliate marketing business. And that's going to be coming up really, really soon. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. If you want to watch the replay, get into Godlywood Girl University TV. Now, if you're like, what is Godlywood Girl University TV? Here is a little sneak peek. All right, sis. So here we are on the Godlywood Girl TV platform. So at the very top is the featured content. I recommend you start here, this quick 2-minute orientation video, just to kind of orient you to the platform. And then if you start to scroll down, you'll see my first film is right here. As we create more movies, those will be added here by the grace of Jesus. And then you'll see the School of Business. So this is where I recommend that you start. If you already know your purpose, you already have a strong relationship with Christ, start here. Start with the purpose profit formula so you know the strategy, and then dive into the rest of these trainings. That's going to tell you, kind of how to move through the training. So this is the School of Business. And then you have the Marketing and Traffic Toolkit right here. And then you have the product creation toolkit right here to help you create your products. Interviews. So I've interviewed other faith-based entrepreneurs. So you can hear their stories, hear how they started. The Ask Godlywood Girl show. That's where people can call in and I literally coach them through whatever issue they're having in their business. So you can actually hear those coaching sessions, learn from that. Purpose Talk is a panel-based show with other faith-based entrepreneurs where we talk about topics related to running your own faith-based business, School of Faith, and then a whole lot more. So that is just a quick demonstration of the program itself, the Godlywood Girl TV platform. I'll be constantly adding to this every single month. I'm so excited that you are here. Can't wait to see you on the platform. All right, sis, thanks so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and God willing, I'll see you in the next one.